To set Google Workout lock screen notification as done so in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, select the notification panel, and the tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google Services, scroll down screen, tap settings for Google Apps, and then tap search assistant and voice, tap notifications, and then select notifications, and then you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down screen, find word codes, and then tap word codes, and then select lock screen, tap don't show notifications. Now Google word codes lock screen notification set as don't show notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.